Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data in Zoho Books. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to quickly transfer large amounts of data from spreadsheets directly into your accounting system, saving you hours of manual entry time to get started. Open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have these details ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, the next step is to navigate to the specific module where you want to import your data. This could be customers, invoices, or items depending on what information you're looking to bring into Zoho Books. Each module is designed to handle different types of data, so selecting the right one ensures your import goes to the correct place. Once you're in the appropriate module, click on the module name itself, then look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Import Invoices. This option opens up the import functionality that will guide you through the rest of the process. Now you'll be asked to choose your file format. Zoho Books supports CSV, TSV, or XLS formats. In this case, select the option that matches your Excel file format. Next, click on Choose File. This will open a file browser window where you can locate the Excel files stored on your computer. Browse through your folders, select the correct file, and click Open to proceed. Here's where things get important. You'll now need to map the columns in your Excel file to the corresponding fields in Zoho Books. This mapping ensures that the data from each column ends up in the right place within your account. Take your time here and confirm that all fields are correctly matched. Once you're satisfied with the mapping, click Next. Before finalizing everything, you'll be shown an Import Preview. This preview displays how your data will appear once imported, giving you one last chance to catch any errors or mismatches. Review this carefully to ensure data accuracy. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Import to complete the process. Your Excel data will now be uploaded into Zoho Books, ready for you to use in your accounting workflows. You've now successfully imported your Excel data into Zoho Books, streamlining your data entry process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.